In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to square numbers in Excel. This is a quick and useful Excel skill that can save time when you are working with calculations. Squaring a number means multiplying that number by itself. In Excel, you can do this with a simple formula, and once you understand the pattern, it becomes very easy to use again whenever you need it. Start by clicking the empty cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the formula will place the squared value in whichever cell is currently selected. So before typing anything, make sure you are in the correct location on the worksheet. Next, type an equal sign. In Excel, every formula begins with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a calculation rather than plain text. If you skip this part, Excel will not treat your entry as a formula, so it is always the first thing to enter. After that, select the cell that contains your base number. For example, if your number is in cell A2, click that cell or type A2 into the formula. This tells Excel which value you want to square. Using a cell reference is helpful because if the number in that cell changes later, the result will update automatically. Now type the caret symbol followed by the number 2, so the full formula looks like A2 squared. The caret symbol tells Excel to use an exponent, and the 2 means you want to raise the number to the second power. In other words, you are telling Excel to square the value in that cell. Once the formula is complete, press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result and show the squared value in the cell you selected at the beginning. If you want to double-check your result, remember that squaring simply means multiplying the number by itself. So if the original value is 5, the squared result should be 25. This can help you confirm that your formula is working as expected. This method is especially useful when you are working with lists of numbers because it gives you a clean and accurate way to calculate squared values directly in your spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.